Okay, guys, now you know how people love to match. You know, they love to have the colors match. They love the sneakers to match and all that good stuff.
You got to coordinate.
Today, we are going to make a hat and a t-shirt. Not only going to match, they're going to be virtually the same, okay? It's the eye of truth, okay? We're going to have a t-shirt, and this is going to go on a hat. Now, these are from Supercolor, okay? Now, this is Super DTF. So this really works well on something like this, which is a trucker hat, right? And you can see no seam. If you want to do something with a seam, we suggest that you do headwear, okay? It's made to go over that seam and be smooth like butter, all right? So anyway, without any further ado, let's make some matching clothing over here. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna take this transfer, right? And we're just gonna cut it. Let's cut this around. This is gonna go on our hat. And this is gonna go on our t-shirt. And it's as simple as that. So let's get over to the heat presses and let's make it happen. All right, so we are going to print our hat and we're gonna use this heat tape. Always wanna anytime, because when you're putting this on here, it could move or something. So with something like this, you always wanna have some heat tape, all right? So we're gonna put this bad boy up in here. Okay, so when you're printing, you wanna, this right here, it could get in the way and cause extra heat and give you problems. So you wanna take that and flip it up, okay? And then you wanna put that in, and there's a little bar right here, right? You wanna put that underneath that, pull that out, and then pull that down. So you get a nice, tight, there we go. So you get a nice, tight seal. So I like to put that down to see just how it's gonna, okay, nice. All right, so then we place our artwork however we want it. That looks good to me. And then we take our tape. You don't want to do this without tape, guys. There's going to be a link for tape down in the description box. I'm going to tape it real good. And just to protect everything, we want to put a nice piece of parchment on top, like that, and let it rock. Nice. So, please don't give me no problem. Look at that. Beautiful. Hey folks, I want to take a minute to talk to you about Start a T-Shirt Business or Die Trying. The book has been updated with so much information, all the great information from the original book, but updated with current up-to-date information, especially the implementation of AI. But wait, there's more. There's also the new companion book, the Start a T-Shirt Business or Die Trying workbook, sketchbook, and journal, to where you literally can open it up, answer the questions, write in everything, do the sketches, and literally by the time the book is over, you will have a blueprint and roadmap to starting the t-shirt business, okay? They go together like peanut butter and jelly. Start a T-Shirt Business or Die Trying, 10th anniversary edition, and the companion workbook, sketchbook, and journal. Available on Amazon.com. Back to the video. Done Deal Records. Let's give him a sister or a brother. Okay, I'm gonna throw him up there. We'll give him a quick press. Knock out the moisture and get a nice flat surface. That's all you need. Look at that. That's all you need. I mean, it's done. I mean, practically prints itself. See that? So we're gonna give this another press. Look how beautiful that looks. That much. Together. So you can have something like this, and let's just say that there's a popular sneaker and it has these colors in it. You could have this, it's called like a hookup. So you can have this, and it could be whatever type of art you want. You can put it on a gang sheet, and Super DTF, Super Color, they have you covered. All right, so anyway, guys, I fooled around with y'all long enough. I'm finna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. Till next time, peace.
T-shirt help desk.